फेमस, आपको कौन से एड्स याद हैं जो इमोशनली टच करें, दिल को छुए? जैसे देयर वाज दिस एड फ्रॉम धारा विच इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर, है ना, पॉपुलर एड है कितना. That is one Indian brand that really did well. Otherwise, apart from a couple of Indian brands, most of the brands are from the P&Gs and the Unilevers. They have done a great job in marketing. I think they know how to really sell and touch those areas of those consumers, as in emotionally touch those points.
So it's only I guess the marketing play he has sort of. Yeah, we can work on a product level also.
Yes, very good. I was coming there as well, Anurag. तो बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने कि ये मार्केटिंग ही नहीं है. Of course, the quality really plays a major role. Efficacy of the products.
Exactly.
That is very important. And today's time, I feel some of those people are coming up with a lot of awareness they are bringing for the consumers, like Food Farmer. There's this person I follow. He's doing a great job of educating people that this is what you should eat and check the label properly. What you're
They have started a campaign also, Label Padhega India. It's quite interesting to see.
Yes, very nice. So इस तरीके से अब awareness आ रही है, but अभी तक नहीं थी और अभी भी काफी लोगों को नहीं है. So that's where I think the market, US market, is quite advanced and they are well aware of what should go in their products. So that's where India is still catching up. That's where I think in the hair care industry also, I would like to come to the hair care industry now. That similarly for the food industry and all, hair care industry has also been, trying to catch up with the West. Abhi West has already come to a level where they are well aware of what harmful ingredients there are in hair care products and they should stay away from, like some of the carcinogenic ingredients. The carcinogenic ingredients will obviously if used at a longer period will cause cancer. So ये awareness अब धीरे धीरे इंडिया में आ रही है. जैसे फूड में आ गई है, अभी काफी अवेयर लोग हो गए हैं, तो आई एम श्योर हेयर केयर एंड स्किन केयर में भी ये अवेयरनेस आ गई है.
You also have a marketplace for skin and hair products, I suppose?
That's just for hair care.
That is just for hair care. Yes. And we call it NYNM.
NYNM.
So इतना fancy name क्यों इसका? मतलब क्या reason behind this?
So NYNM stands for Naturally You and Me. Actually सबसे पहले इसका हमने नाम रखा था Naturally You and Me in 2018.
Okay.
It's a marketplace for curly hair products and I feel very proud about it that we were the first marketplace for the curly community. उस time पे कोई curly hair brands नहीं थे इंडिया में.
Okay.
And we started importing international brands to our platform. So it's an inventory-led business where we purchase the inventory from these brands and bring it to India and keep it on our marketplace and sell it from there. And people loved it.
That time people were that aware कि for different hair we need different products? वो confusing नहीं हो गया already market के लिए?
So I'll tell you. So it's a curly community-driven. It's a marketplace for curly community. So I feel very fortunate that the curly community that I was in also, and we were all learning at that time कि अच्छा ये curly बालों को ऐसे रखा जाता है.
There was a community that
there was
time
a community.
for
Absolutely.
the curly hair?
Absolutely. There was a community. There were a couple of people that I know who started that community and they were also.
So what was the agenda during that?
So the agenda was that okay हमारे बाल curly है, अब समझ में आ गया है, understanding from the West. West में already available थे products for curly hair. Awareness है but India में नहीं थी. So that's when even I stumbled upon a couple of I did research and stumbled upon blogs and everything, and that's when I realized कि okay, my hair is not what I think they are. They are curly and they need to be handled in such a way. 2018 was when NYNM was born. We just started off with 2 international brands. We imported them and हमने सोचा चलो देखते हैं. Also I was working at that time with IBM. So I thought कि let's see how this goes. I took a risk and
it paid off.
And yeah, it really did well. So 6 months down the line, it was doing super well. In fact, I wasn't getting time to even give time to both the things. Like I was working subah se 9 बजे से 6 बजे तक I used to work, and then in the evening I used to come back home, pack orders, and then send them
Process,
through,
ship,
process
and
them,
everything.
all of that. And we had a very small inventory. We started from home. घर पे ही छोटा सा area dedicate कर दिया था उसके लिए. So that's how we built, and so now it's a good, I think about 40,000 customers we have. It's a close knit curly community, and yeah, they come to our website mostly for international products.
And about the name we were talking about.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
How this name?
Thanks for
because I believe कि नाम थोड़ा सा simple और easy to remember and easy to say होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
Isn't it कि थोड़ा सा difficult या है to remember?
तो आप क्या बुलाना चाहते हो उसे?
So it's a fancy name, but with this same like NYNM to remember and to recall थोड़ा सा tricky लगता है.
Yes, I agree.
I mean, this is my personal opinion. Obviously, you must be having some market research.
Yeah, so earlier it was naturallyyouandme.com. So naturallyyouandme.com, people used to find it very difficult to type in that.
Long enough.
It's a very long name. So some of the people told us कि बहुत लंबा है. क्या नाम है? What's your website? Sorry, we didn't get you. That's when we realized, okay, we need to do some changes here, and then we abbreviated it to nynm.in, and many people after that also were confused. What is it called? Nynm? Is it called Ninim? या क्या बोले?
Anything to simplify it.
Yeah. So we were open about it. Whatever you want to call it, you can call it the way you want to.
Sure.
So then अपने आप से ही ये बन गया कि NYNM people started calling it, because I think people knew it's naturally you and me. So I understand that new people are not aware that what it was.
Just for the new and the first time customers who are coming to the platform. But I guess एक बार आ जाते हैं, trust बन जाता है, तो they have this name in the back of the mind.
Right. So we are open to whatever they want to call us. Nynm बुलाना है, you can call us Nynm, Ninim, or NYNM.
But usually customers say it by NYNM. So now talking about this skin and hair industry as a whole. So during COVID 2019-20, the industry was like, using Ayurvedic ingredients and home ingredients जो घर पे मिलते हैं, made in small batches, made in kitchen kind of a product range से काफी brands established हुए थे. And all of a sudden now we are seeing there's a shift happening towards the active ingredients. Actives are being used to target the core problem for whatever product you are using. So how is the shift happening, and what brands can do so that पहले हम customers को बोल रहे थे आयुर्वेदिक लो, natural लो, अब हम ingredients पे चले गए हैं. So क्या industry में trend change हो रहा है, and how will this you as a brand owner foresee कि आगे क्या रहेगा इसका?
I think it's a very valid question you're asking, and आपने जो ये जितनी भी research करी है बहुत ही अच्छी चीज करी है. You are so right that I think everything is around the ingredient. The value proposition for all the brands mostly is around the ingredients. And skincare, yes, it has already reached a level where it is talking about actives and all of those in detail. अब तो percentages भी आने लग गए हैं कि इतना percentage है. And what earlier also we were doing was around the desi nuskhe and उसी के around ingredients के around बात होती थी. So hair care space में भी ऐसा ही कुछ हो रहा है और होता आ रहा है कि ingredient based value proposition है. अब actives पे लोग आ गए हैं, इंग्रेडिएंट्स पे भी हैं, बट अब वही है कि जैसे स्किन केयर एक लेवल पे आ गया है, आई एम श्योर हेयर केयर इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कम एट दैट लेवल. नाउ विद ट्रूथ एंड हेयर वी आर ट्राइंग टू टेल दैट इंग्रेडिएंट्स, yes, they are important, but first understand what's your hair type. आप बिना सोचे समझे आप कुछ भी अपने बालों पे ऐसे ही मत लगाओ, पहले समझो कि आपका हेयर टाइप क्या है. So for example, you wouldn't know why you have straight hair, why you have a wavy hair type, or why you have a curly hair type. Most of the people are unaware of that. First, understand the science behind it. and then use the right product for your hair type and your scalp type. So if your scalp is healthy, your hair naturally will be healthier. So that's the focus of Truth in Hair, and that's the reason why we are trying